Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be sharing my honest reviews for Neorah Dated Accomplished Planner. Subscribe for regular art videos. The planner comes in a very beautiful and subtle colored cardboard package. I love how minimalistic this is and gives a very classy look. I usually like colorful stuff. Well, I'm an artist, so that's how I like my stuff. But really, the way this planner gives a classy look, I am absolutely in awe. It comes with a brand tag and a very sweet thank you card for shopping and supporting Indian origin brand. Next, it comes with the entire brand journey or the story of Neorah. It also comes with a user guide which gives you an idea of how you can use it. So even if you are a person who is using a planner for the first time, this guide really makes it really easy to use. It comes with lots of different ideas and demos which you can use in your planner. Now let's talk about the planner. I love how monocolor, hard black the cover is, and again the minimalistic classy look. Absolutely love it. The quality of pages is amazing, I must say. Starts with a page where you can write your name, important contacts, and important dates. Feel free to use all your artistic sides and make it colorful. It doesn't have to be blank. It comes with various blank pages where you have ample of space to describe your vision. Next, it has monthly planners where you can write your favorite quote, goals, things to do, and a health tracker. It has individual date sections and gives you ample of space to use. I love how colorless this is, or I would say really very blank, so that as an artist you have your freedom to make this planner the way you want it to look. There are various other planners in the market that come with pre-designed colorful pages and they do not give you this freedom. Next, it comes with dated pages where you can write your priorities. It is on monthly basis, so you can write your priorities, affirmations. Comes with a habit tracker, and at the end of the day you can write what you have accomplished and what are you grateful for. You have lots of space to write your daily stuff. I will also be sharing some examples how I am using it, but feel free to make it your way. It can represent what you think about yourself, what kind of artist you are, and how colorful or minimalistic or whatever theme you want to give your planner. You can also have different themes for different months. This planner gives you lots of space to experiment. I absolutely love the paper quality. And I will do a quality check for you when I'll be using my color supplies over it, and we'll see if it leaks to the other side. Now the next month starts, and just like this, the whole planner gives you lots of space for each day and every month. Now let's start this planner with me. As I've mentioned, the best thing about this planner I loved is that it does not have lots of colors, so it gives you an absolute freedom of how you want it to look. For example, let's see in this section. I'm writing my priorities and I can make that section as colorful or in whatever theme I want. So here, I want it to look like a wooden board. Now let's start writing our priorities. I'm using bullets. I'm writing down all my priorities for that day. I know January has already passed, but this is just like a demo. I just want you all to see how this planner gives you a freedom and a vast variety for you to experiment. You can check other journals or planner artists on Instagram, or you can look for ideas on Google or Pinterest, and then this planner will be your best friend because you get to experiment different ideas and make this planner yours. The next section I want to go is affirmations, and I just want it to be just simple polka dots. I'm using art gel brush pen, which is highly pigmented, and at the end we will flip the page and see if the color is seeped through to the other side. I'm starting with simple affirmations. I am blessed. I am beautiful. I am loved. I am enough. I am growing. Now, for the main page, I wanted to give a very simple spiral page look. here, I want to make my to-do list for that day. The supplies I'm using are Add Gel brush pens and Brushstroke technical pens. So, whether you want this planner to be simple, elegant, and classy, or reflect your true personality via various themes and colors, whatever it is, it actually gives you all freedom. Now you can see the color has not seeped through at all. That means the pages quality are awesome. You're definitely not going to regret buying this planner. Let me know in the comments below which product should I review next.